Hans Dahl was born February 19, 1849, died July 27, 1937. He was a Norwegian painter. Hans Dahl was most known for his paintings of Norwegian fjords and surrounding landscapes. Dahl resisted the transition in art from Romanticism to Modernism. In the 1890s a new school of art arose, and artists like Dahl were not very popular in the leading circles in the capital. He was particularly criticized by the art historian Jens Thiis. He was severely criticized by fellow artists, especially by Christian Krohg, who was one of the leading figures in the transition from Romanticism to naturalism which characterized Norwegian art in this period.